Mama Hoss in the kitchen tonight. I'm going to show you one of Mr. Hoss's favorite meals. Microgreens stir-fried with onions, peppers, and tomatoes. So first we're going to cut our microgreens. These are Dunn peas. Give them a good wash and run them through the salad spinner. Going to cut up these multiplied onions from Greg's Garden. Get these tops off here. Get you a good half a cup of the green tops in there. Some Lola banana pepper and some poblano pepper. And I'm doing it in chunks. Then we have some yellow canary, little birdie tomatoes, and some sun sweet. Here's my ingredients. Get that cast iron skillet hot. Put your little olive oil in there. And then put all your ingredients in except the microgreens. And we're going to saute this just a little bit, not too much. Add some seasoning salt, some garlic and herb, and black pepper, and of course some Cavengers. And we're going to saute this just a little bit, not too much. And then I'm going to add some bacon drippings to it. Turn it down just a hair. Yes, bacon drippings. Don't hate. Makes everything better. Then we're going to add the microgreens. Again, this is Dunn peas. And saute it just until it wilts down. Doesn't take long at all. Then the final thing is some Parmesan cheese. And folks, all this came out of our November garden. Let's see how it tastes. There's tomatoes, that microgreen, and that onion. Awesome.
Talk about growing your own food. Good stuff there. Now get dirty.